This exercise is called an opposite arm leg raise progression or a bird dog progression. To do it properly, we're going to first make sure we can do it correctly with each arm and each leg before we put it together. We're going to get proper alignment of the spine by putting a dowel on your back. And you want to have the sacrum, the mid-back, and the head all touching the dowel. And you want that dowel to remain there through your exercise. Now he's going to begin by picking his left arm up and trying not to move his body at all. Back down, and then do one with the other arm. It's not about how fast you do it, it's not about how high the arm goes, it's about keeping the alignment of the spine through the exercise. And now he's going to bring one of his legs back and extend it back behind him. Again, the importance is keeping the spine neutral. Once you're able to reliably do those 4 movements, you're going to put them together and you're going to extend the opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time. A more advanced version of this exercise is to take the pole off, go into the extension of the opposite arm and opposite leg, and then try to touch your elbow and knee underneath, and then extend, and then come back down. Good, relax, don't go away. It's okay. We're going to do it with the 2. Once you're able to do the opposite arm leg raise well without resistance, we're going to add the resistance of a cook band. We'll put the dowel on, and again, 3 points of contact. And now he's going to do the same exercise. This time it'll have the resistance of the band.